Signs of an unhealthy gut. Many facets of modern life, such as high stress levels, too little sleep, eating processed and high sugar foods, and taking antibiotics, can all damage our gut microbiome. This in turn may affect other aspects of our health, such as the brain, heart, immune system, skin, weight, hormone levels, ability to absorb nutrients, and even the development of cancer. For more health-related videos, subscribe my channel, The Health Tips. Press the bell icon. There are a number of ways an unhealthy gut might manifest itself. Here are top 5 of the most common signs. Number 1. Upset stomach. Stomach disturbances like gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, and heartburn can all be signs of an unhealthy gut. A balanced gut will have less difficulty processing food and eliminating waste. Number 2. A high sugar diet. A diet high in processed foods and added sugars can decrease the amount of good bacteria in your gut. This imbalance can cause increased sugar cravings, which can damage your gut still further. High amounts of refined sugars, particularly high fructose corn syrup, have been linked to increased inflammation in the body. Inflammation can be the precursor to a number of diseases and even cancers. Number 3. Unintentional weight changes. Gaining or losing weight without making changes to your diet or exercise habits may be a sign of an unhealthy gut. An imbalanced gut can impair your body's ability to absorb nutrients, regulate blood sugar, and store fat. Weight loss may be caused by small intestinal bacterial overgrowth (SIBO), while weight gain may be caused by insulin resistance or the urge to overeat due to decreased nutrient absorption. Number 4. Sleep disturbances or constant fatigue. An unhealthy gut may contribute to sleep disturbances such as insomnia or poor sleep, and therefore lead to chronic fatigue. The majority of the body's serotonin, a hormone that affects mood and sleep, is produced in the gut. So gut damage can impair your ability to sleep well. Some sleep disturbances have also been linked to risk for fibromyalgia. Number 5. Skin irritation. Skin conditions, like eczema, may be related to a damaged gut. Inflammation in the gut caused by a poor diet or food allergies may cause increased leaking of certain proteins out into the body, which can in turn irritate the skin and cause conditions such as eczema. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, The Health Tips, for more health videos.